अच्छे खाने की क्रेविंग हमें कहीं भी ले जाती है। सो क्रिस्पी कुलचे खाने की क्रेविंग सेटिस्फाई करने के लिए हम पहुंच गए सैंडोज इन अमृतसर to try their crispiest kulcha, which is served with pindi chole and pyaz ki chutney. And here comes the crunch. The taste was so good and authentic and it went very well with some lassi. उसके बाद हमने ट्राई की क्रीमी दाल अम्बरसरी which was so heavenly. तो फिर जाओ सैंडोज इन अमृतसर to try their crispiest kulcha. If you want to enjoy chaat, kulcha and Chinese at one place, then you should visit Maska at Umeek's Mall in Chandni Chowk. I had their crispy palak patta chaat, kach ki dabeli and this creamy lassi along with stuffed kulchas and naan. The taste of this dabeli and palak patta chaat was on point. And we have something for our non-veg lover as well. This was their chicken churchur naan which was delightfully tasty. Maska has many outlets in Delhi NCR and they deliver via Zomato and Swiggy. Later I tried their sizzler and Chinese option. तो अब खाओ भी और लगाओ भी Maska का चस्का. Welcome to the food bazaar of India at 7 Seas in Rohini. A culinary adventure you won't wanna miss. Come, taste and celebrate the flavors of India. Indulge in mouth-watering crisp pani puris and kebab and tikka that just melts in your mouth. From rich aromatic spices of North India to the tangy tropical flavors of South, this bazaar brings together the best of Indian cuisine. Experience the lively atmosphere with traditional music which adds to the festive spirit. Watch as skilled chefs showcase their culinary talent, blending flavor and texture in every dish. And don't forget to treat your sweet tooth with jalebi and kulfi. Today we are gonna make tadke wala sandwich using Harvest high fiber brown bread. This bread is high in fiber, nutritious and best for daily use. For this sandwich, add veggies of your choice into the hung curd. Add some salt, pepper and chili flakes and give it a good mix. Now the mixture is ready. Now add in the mixture into the bread. This bread is very fresh and soft. Spread the mixture evenly and cover the bread. This sandwich is very healthy and filling. As the name suggests, now we are going to give a tadka to this sandwich. Add ghee and little mustard seeds. And once this splutter, add some curry leaves into it. Roast on both sides till golden and crisp. Enjoy the sandwich with Harvest high fiber brown bread.